Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is a Trendsend day. I'll have all the information about Trendsend down below. You always get a return envelope, which makes it super simple. You can also shop. They do have brick and mortar stores. The one closest to me is at South Lake, and they've got some really cute things. You always get a note from your stylist, and my stylist is Hunter again. And Trendsend usually sends you at least 7 pieces, and they generally put together with those pieces 3 or 4 different looks. We will start with these Good American, no, these are A gold, Parker, oh, long short. Oh, this is a short. Okay. Ooh, all right. Those do not look long to me. There's the inseam. This will be interesting. Well, I want to get a good look this way because I might not be trying these on. We'll see. But they are cute for some people. Next, oh, this is the old Goldie, a Goldie, Parker long short, and the color is swap meet. Next, the breezy smock neck blouse by Sanctuary, color jelly bean, size small. And that is green. It is smock neck. It's a pretty color. It's a pretty green. And then next, let's see. Is this a dress? Oh, it is. A jade dress by Velvet, size medium. Okay, so this is all right, well, this is super cute. I don't know if it's super cute for me, but oh, it's really cute. Kind of a Mexican fiesta style. The colors remind me of a fiesta. Fun and happy. The next, this is the Marley sweater tank. Okay, it says tank by Evereve. Okay, there you go. And if you can see that it's got browns and tans, and then finally, no, not finally. Then these are the good waist palazzo cropped Good American jeans in indigo, size 6. Good American. I got a pair of Good American and I love them. These are completely different, of course. These have the wide palazzo. Oh, these are cute. Okay, we'll see. And then last, this is the Sophie pleated sweatshirt by Evereve, light yellow, size medium. Now that is cute. That is really cute, really soft. And it's a sweatshirt, but it's really thin, so would not be hot to wear. But how many pieces did I get here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 pieces. Let's go try these on and see what we think. I'll be right back. We will start with the Sophie pleated. Where's it pleated? I guess the sleeves are pleated. Pleated sweatshirt, light yellow by Evereve, 62.40. I think it's cute. I put my little Palm Springs necklace with it. I think it's really cute. It feels really good. I like a sweatshirt. I would like a spring summer sweatshirt. What I don't like about it is it's awfully boxy. I wish it was just a little more fitted in the waist. They paired it with the Good Waist Palazzo crop jeans in indigo by Good American, 112.20. And I put my little marketed spruce booties back on with it. And again, I think these are cute. The boxy with the palazzo style is not super, to me, super flattering on me. So I don't know about these jeans. I'm gonna have to look and see. They're cute. I just don't know if I like them on me, and I'll have to try them on. I mean, yeah, see what they look like with something else on, but I don't like the boxiness of the sweatshirt, and I'm not sure that you would tuck it in with the bottom, whatever it's called at the bottom. But here this is. There's the back. I think the pants are super cute. I thought they'd be more expensive than $111. I really did. But cute. But I just don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Okay, the next outfit that they put together is this breezy smock neck blouse by Sanctuary in the color Jelly Bean, and it is $103.20. No, $103.20. I think it's cute, and I do still have on they did pair it with the palazzo jeans, but I don't know that it's me, number one, but then also $103. And I don't think that's even the regular price. I don't know what the regular price is, but it's got this little tie. It's got the buttons. It's pretty low. It's got the cute neck and the sleeves. And they paired it with this, but they also paired it with these Parker long shorts. There's nothing long about these shorts. They're short. Not gonna try them on, I'm sorry. First of all, again, and I find this, I don't know what it is about these really expensive jeans that they like to make the buttonholes so small. It took me a good 10 minutes to get these unbuttoned without even having them on before I put them on. And then when I put them on, they were a little tight, a lot short, and I did not realize they're button fly, which I am not a button fly kind of girl. But I also thought I don't want to spend 30 minutes buttoning them up and then button this top button and then be stuck in these for however long. So anyway, all that to say, not trying them on. They're cute for somebody. Here they are. A little bit of distressing, front and back, cute, not long. And also, they are, where is it? $110. And I know that's because, A-Gold, I don't know how you pronounce that, A-G-O-L-D-E. Anyway, these are a no. And this is this is a no too. So, darn, so far, not so great. And I've got a $15 coupon that they sent me in the mail. I got one last month and forgot to use it, and I thought, well, I'll use it this time. But so far, I'm not sure what I will use it on. But I will be back with the next top. This is the Marley sweater tank in natural spec, SPEC. And it is $78.40 by Evereve. It's cute, and I think it's cute with these because it's a little more fitted, or it is fitted, and then the jeans are not fitted. Well, they are, but they're not. But I don't know that I just love it. And especially again for $78.40, it'd be cute under a jacket in the fall or something like that. But I will be back with the final look. Finally, this is the Jade dress by Velvet in multi, and it is $135.20. It's very, oh, it has pockets. Oh, I didn't realize that. It is very, very cute. It is not cute on me. It's also very comfortable. It's super light, so comfortable, and perfect for hot weather. I mean, this would be so cute at a pool party. I guess you could even wear this as a cover-up if you wanted, but it is too, this has just never been me to anything this loose and flowy. Just is not flattering. I don't know, it's just not. But I do think it's super fun, and oh, nothing's sticking out back here. Super fun and very Cinco de Mayo, which is already passed, but I think it's cute. If you like this kind of look and it looks good on you, it's really, really cute. Super cute. I wish I liked it. I wish it felt good on me, and it's $135, which is expensive, but it's really not that bad if it was gonna work. But that is it. I don't know what I will keep. I don't know. There's just nothing, probably nothing, which I hate because I've got that $15 gift certificate, and then of course my $20 styling fee, which they charge. But with Trendsend, if you keep 4 or more, you get 10% off your total purchase. So usually I like more things from Stitch Fix. It's usually one of my more favorites, but this is not. I think my last 2 boxes were really good. I will say this too, I like fall and winter clothes a whole lot better than I like summer and spring clothes, so that could have something to do with it too. But that is it for this Trendsend box. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time, y'all. Thanks. Bye-bye.